Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to go over how we cut angles that are greater than 45 degrees on your miter saw. Most miter saws only have 45 degree limit. Mine obviously has a 60 and a 50, but we're just going to go with the 45 because that's what most people are working with. So just to get a pretty good understanding, right now our fence is perpendicular to the blade. And when the blade cuts straight down, it's cutting at 90 degrees, but it's really at 0, right? So what we need to do is we need to create a new fence, right? And what we do is we create our new fence with a speed square. I use a 12-inch speed square. You can use a big piece of wood. There's a lot of methods out there where you use a big piece of wood and you cut two 45s on it, and that in essence becomes your fence for doing these angle cuts greater than 45. But this is a quick method to making like a 1 or 2 off cut where you're not really doing a lot of these, you're just doing one in a project, and so you don't need to set up this extensive jig or anything like that. You just want something that's quick that you can refer to and make the job happen. So in this case, we're going to use a speed square. Okay, we want to make sure we set it flush up against the fence. We want to make sure that it's away from where the blade is going to cut, and basically we just want to secure it to the fence with something, nothing crazy, just any type of like clamp will do. Okay, just something to hold it right up against the fence so you know you have a true 45. All right, so now let's just say we needed to cut an angle that's say 65 degrees. So 45 and 20 is 65, right? Now all you have to do is move it to 20 degrees and you have 65 degrees, right? Now you just put your piece of trim right up against that new fence you just created at a 45, okay? And you cut the piece. So that's one side, right? Now we come to the other side. We know we're looking for 20 degrees, right? We move our fence to the other side, okay? We secure it the same way. Pull your trim down, bring the blade down. Now we'll just cut this piece in half so we can bring the two ends together. So here we go. This is a live test, right? Bring both points together, right? And you see how that comes together perfectly. All right, guys? That's how you create a quick angle cut greater than 45 degrees on your miter saw. Obviously, you want to be careful, right? So how I was putting pressure up against the piece here, I was away from the blade. Just make sure you're working safe. These tools can get very dangerous if you aren't paying attention to what you're doing. All right, guys, hope this helped. See you on the next one. Bye.